So it's Sunday, and I got a lot of work done on the truck today. And then a funny thing happened. I was looking around, and I ran out of parts to replace. I got it all put back together. So, it's time. I'm gonna start it up, I think. Probably something else I should do before I just start it. Compression test or something? Oh well, here goes. So angry. Oh. This is the head gasket. It's still on the block. So, oh crap. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this truck now, but this sucks. Try and weld it up myself. Oh yeah. And I lost about 7 of them. This is ridiculous. I found 5. I'm missing 1. Holy sh**. I cannot believe that I found them all. Whoa! I didn't think that was gonna work. Alright, so I've got a problem. Probably should get ground at a machine shop. Coating here. I don't know if this is right. Super surprised, dead on, right in the middle. It's a little bit concerning to me that it took 10 thousandths off. I need to get... Hopefully that doesn't come back to bite me. I think it'll be okay. Now there's a couple things left. I broke a bolt taking the bumper off. The hood's still over there. The skid plate needs to go back on too. But the important thing is that everything in the engine is there. I'm also going to do a coolant flush. I've never done this before. I've never really changed coolant much before, obviously. And I bought some. I always use Mobil 1. But this stuff's slightly cheaper because I'm only gonna run it in the engine in the driveway for a bit until it warms up, and then I'm gonna change it. So anything that got in there hopefully will come out, and I'll change the filter as well. Oh well, here goes. Okay. Almost. Oh, yeah, I got some smoke coming out. the engine bay is smoking. Let's investigate.
It won't work.
Something is smoking.
Is there a dragon in there?
It could just be oil on the exhaust. You could go with that. Did I miss a vacuum hose or something? Could this be it? Why is it doing that? Almost. Did you see it? You might have noticed if you were looking closely at the video. What's wrong with this picture? If it starts and then dies, mass airflow sensor is one of the common things that comes up. I'm like, no, I totally plugged that thing in. I can't see why. Oh. I didn't tighten this one either, so I gotta tighten these up. Forgot to do that. Okay, let's give it a shot. Yes! Yes! Woo! Yeah! Woohoo! All right. Hey, I lied. This truck only has 183,000 miles on it. I'm easy on her. Oh man. Something's squirting. Oh no, it's just, I think maybe it's just oil cooking off. I think. Take a closer look though. Oh man, I'm so psyched though. It runs and it sounds great. Yeah, I think that's just oil. I'm so happy right now. Oh man. I've never had an engine apart before. I've never done anything like this before. There's two things. Here's my I can't let myself just be happy, right? Like there's two things that's getting to me. One are the exhaust valve seats that I lapped down quite a bit. I took off that like 9,000ths, and the valve kind of misshapen and stuff. I mean, I think as long as it drives okay, man, it sounds great. I can't take it for a drive because it doesn't have a bumper on it. I'm gonna turn the heater on too. And I'll change the oil, and then I'll do the coolant flush and everything before I road test it. But anyway, so there's the valve seats. That was like I meant to put it back together that way. And one other thing, and that's the head gasket that I nicked in the back, right in the back, and I think worst case, I'll end up with a coolant leak on the outside of the block or the head, you know. And then who knows what else I might have screwed up along the way. Oh man. Whew. I didn't think this day would come. I don't know what else to say. It's been quite a journey, and just want to thank you guys for you know, watching along with me here. Started off feeling really down, really didn't know what I was gonna do, thinking about junking the truck, and then I realized, like, you know, I should at least try. You know, should at least give it your best shot. You know, what's the worst that could happen in this situation? I break it even worse than it is. What's the best thing that could happen? I saved a whole bunch of money and my truck still runs. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. What's the worst that can happen? I just hit my wife's car in the driveway.
Hey, Dad, I think I know. Something's turning. Oh, I see. It's coming from underneath the engine, Daddy.
What is?
Is there a dragon in that smoke pipe?
Maybe. Maybe it's gonna crawl out.
Hey, Dad, I don't see it crawl out.
Well, let's try again.
Is there a dragon in there?
I don't know. There's a gremlin in there.